Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. We just got our first snowfall out here in Colorado. First real snowfall, I should say. Everyone's clueless out here in Colorado when the first sign of snow comes around. But we're up and early this morning. Let the truck warm up first. Those diesels, man, they need a little bit of love in the mornings, especially when it's cold like this. We're gonna head to the shop this morning. A lot of shit to do, really. We've got the truck already disassembled. We're gonna take it over to the wrap shop this morning. They're gonna jump on it and gonna get that truck wrapped. Really excited. It's gonna be a good week. Third day of the year, so it's time to get the grind on.
So what's going on, Nick?
Dude, so we're putting in, we borrowed some tail lights from our boy Darty, as the ones for this truck already out of paint. But the problem is we left the screws for the original lights for paint so they could hang the lights and paint them. So now we gotta figure out how to mount these up. And today, boys and girls, we're taking the truck over to wrap, get it wrapped up.
This will be fun to drive down the highway. So David's gonna tape them.
You know, this tape delivery box is 1,000 miles away.
Is that why they get lost?
Well, that's just the workers there.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure this is illegal to drive. Well, you don't know brake lights and turn signals.
You gotta have mirrors.
Yeah, you gotta have some side mirrors.
I don't know. Do we call David in and just watch him get pulled over?
We should just let him do it.
Yeah.
I would say we should just get a trailer, but
I was gonna offer to just go get a trailer, but
I mean that one's already holding.
to pull out might be.
Man, that's not going anywhere. So the winter of Covert, well, we don't know when he's gonna fly in yet because he's on vacation. So we're gonna enjoy his truck a little bit more at the shop. It's not bad because he's a badass truck. All right, so we've got this truck. We got some tail lights in it. Instead of going and picking up a trailer, the wrap shop's about 15 minutes away. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it on a drive. We're gonna do a little follow the leader. So we'll just drive down the truck, get into the wrap shop safely. That's the plan, without any problems, but that's how it's gonna look down the road. So we threw the sample of the wrap onto the truck right here. It's gonna look good. Dude, I didn't record you when I said to give her the beads. Well, I know, you know, you hit the button and you don't realize it, but you gave her the beads right here. So there's proof that the beads were given at some point. You guys will get to see it. Got a whole bunch of parts already. Ready to go. Ready to go. All right, time to hit the road. We got the truck all ready, as much as it's gonna get ready. Obviously, no license plate, no front bumper, very street legal.
100% street legal.
We got the taillights in though, so David is saying that is all we need to be legal, which I doubt.
I don't think
that's true, but
that's our story and we're sticking to it.
We're sticking to it. It's gonna make our life easier than going to grab a trailer, loading it up. We're trying to get shit done, you know, so sometimes you take a little risk. But me and Nick are gonna follow David. Yeah, it's gonna be starting wrap today. And looking pretty sexy. You ready to go?
We're ready to go. You made it.
What's up, dude? It's gonna get a little bit bigger. How are you? Good. How are you, bro?
That is sick.
What's up with this thing? Little Ronald McDonald over here?
It's a little Type Star. Have you never seen it?
I don't see it.
That's our little Type shop car.
It's actually pretty roomy, man. It feels a lot
David, go get in the other side.
It feels like like there's a lot more room in here than on the outside. Oh, it's got a badass, dude. I felt you sit down. Like,
Panoramic roof too?
a panoramic roof. Bro, come on, get out of here.
Bigger than on my GM.
Next giveaway truck. Hey, let's just throw this on top of the truck.
Oh, wait, that would be hilarious. You can pick these things up.
Bro,
here's a gas guzzler. You get a gas guzzler, and you get a eco-friendly.
Like we're saving the environment at the same time.
Okay, I think you should do that.
I think the truck can charge it from the bed.
All right, cool.
Wrap. That's it.
That is it.
Sweet. Yeah, I ordered like a whole roll and a half. I looked up the square footage on the truck and I was like, oh god. It'll look good though, I think.
Really excited. I think I've seen an F450 like this, so
No.
we're trying to go for something unique, something different.
It's rare to see any 450s wrapped. There's a lot of people just don't want to spend the money.
Right.
It's getting, the lift's gonna be all powder coated gray.
Your giveaways are not meant for guys my size.
Well, you got the steps for you, bro.
Yeah, I need a ladder. I need one that pulls down and one pulls down under that.
Right?
Yeah.
But yeah, so the three color combos that we're playing with is the blue, the chrome, and the gray. So everything that's gray right now needs to be wrapped. We'll bring the rest of the parts over Wednesday.
You need me to wrap? Yeah, that's great.
You like that?
Looks perfect.
We tried.
Is the roof black already?
No.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to go black? We can wrap it black.
Because there's not much roof on here either way.
Oh, there isn't.
Panoramic.
Is it just the front bit?
The front and a little bit of the sides.
Sides a little bit. It's a panoramic roof. I almost think black.
Yeah.
What do you think, David?
I kind of like
I think the black.
Because I can't imagine a roof being any other color.
No.
Yeah,
Either
because
you
blue
match
might be
the
a little
color or
bit
you
too
go
much.
black.
So we're back in the shop, got the truck dropped off. Now we gotta work on some products for you guys over there. It's gonna be pretty cool stuff. Maybe some hand soaps, some hand wash cleaners, but we found a pretty sweet company that pretty excited to see what it does. Some innovative stuff. Working on that behind the scenes, still working the shop, getting the shop cleaned up. Let me show you here. So during our downtime here, we were cleaning the shop up, finishing up some last minute orders. Keep the shop clean over here. Our handy dandy, what do you call this thing? Cleaner. The cleaner, yeah, all right. All right, guys, we believe in our products. We try them, we test them out for you. And we've got this innovative hand cleaner that is presumably much better than those orange pump ones. So we gotta try it out.
And these are all natural, so we're gonna get our hands real dirty.
Go rub your hand to my exhaust tip.
That's what I was thinking.
You know, that probably works.
Yours is.
Mine's a little sooty.
So this cleaner is supposed to keep your hands much cleaner and work much better. So we're gonna try out the product. Oh yeah, there you go. Get it. Oh yeah.
Now, where we
Put it
got-
on your face too, bro. Oh yeah. Just
What
right
else?
in
Where
there.
else we got some dirty parts?
Oh yeah, buddy.
I know you got grease somewhere over here.
There's somewhere.
Give me a little grease, bro.
It's a dog.
Hey, let's look at those joints.
Those joints are brand new.
Brand new joints, all right.
In here in white pants.
That's how it always is, bro. These days, when you wear white, that's when you get screwed. All right, we need a little more grease though.
380,000 miles. It's gotta have some leak. I know there's grease on those joints somewhere.
Yeah, there's brake calipers. Oh, right here.
Oh yeah, you feel it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get that grease, bro.
I'm trying to get my hands as
Oh, yeah,
dirty as I
feel that
can.
grease, bro. Yeah, you see that right there? That's some.
So you guys are really just getting as dirty as you can, trying
Bro,
to see
well,
if
we
it
got,
works.
we gotta test the
You gotta make
product,
sure it
man.
works, right?
I don't want no complaints, you know. All right, so we're gonna take the bottle. It's the cool part about it. It's actually like a powder form, which is very different. You take the powder, you take just a dab size, put it on your hands, scrape it around a little bit with some water, and it's supposed to do some magic. It's our first time trying it.
Hey, we're gonna have to just use compare it to normal soap too.
Okay, so get your hands wet first.
So I would say one of us uses that, and the other one uses that.
And then we can see what it
Okay,
did.
let's see the hands together first.
Okay, mine look a little bit.
Okay, Nick's are a little dirtier, but
Yeah.
still. Okay, so then David, why don't you try the regular soap?
Okay, let's get some warm water.
Pre-rinse, that's what you gotta do a little bit.
Okay, now let's see what this soap does.
Here's a little before, that's a little after.
One wash.
All right, so Nick, get your hands wet.
Hey, mine are, dude. I went
Here, let's try to pull your sleeves up.
Pull that up a little bit.
I like to show my guns a little bit.
Yep.
For the ladies, you know?
Just get your whole hand wet.
All right, damn. All right, we taking a dab size of this?
Yeah, with how dirty yours are, about a quarter.
You said about that?
Yeah, about that's good.
That doesn't feel like much. So just rub it in.
Just scrub it all over.
Is that good, you think?
Keep scrubbing it as you start to rinse it.
Ooh, it feels leathery too. My hands feel good though, dude.
Yeah.
My hands feel leathery.
This like comes from pine, so it's all
Damn.
natural.
I like that feel. Damn,
So let's
dude.
see, all right, hands before and after next to each
Look
other.
at this, bro.
That's one wash.
That's one wash. Bro, I love it.
I need some of this.
I love it. That's good stuff, bro. No, that's much better than like the orange pump ones you use.
Yeah.
It's really good. So you guys, I think we might have a new product for you. For all you hard-working men and women out there working on your truck, working in the shop, getting your shit done, you're gonna end up the day with the hands like this. Looks like you work at an office. But the cool part about it is also, you don't need much. I only just put a little dab on it, and it doesn't take much to get this grease off, so.
Yeah, it does feel, hands feel really soft after this. Like
Looks like you just put lotion on right at the same time, you know? So, good stuff. Good stuff. Very impressed. Very impressed.
so it works.
So, if we're impressed, we're going to definitely give it to you guys as well, because we don't sell shit. That's what it is.
That's right.
Well, damn, it's been a crazy day today. Got a lot done. Part of our downtime, and we don't get much of it, especially during the giveaway period, we take some time, we work on product development, we try to make the shop a lot more streamlined so that the products are shipped quicker. So we do a lot of work on the back end during these downtimes of our giveaways, which is really cool because we like to improve and make things better. So now that the truck is in the shop, David and I are heading over to pick up some racks for the shop. Right now everything's just on some shelving units, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up some racks and organize the place a little bit and streamline it. That's gonna be another task here in the next couple of days as we're waiting for the truck to be wrapped up. You know, and just like that, we found some beams, some storage units for the shop, so David's already loading it up. Check this out. Just like that, we're already putting the shelves up, making some room here. Master installer over here, Connor. Making some room on this back wall, a lot of empty space. So over the last few days, we've spent a lot of time reorganizing the shop. Been moving some shelves around. Basically reorganized the whole shop. It looks a whole lot different. I know we haven't showed you guys the shop very much in the past, but a lot of improvement has been done. Adding a lot more shelves. The boys are carrying in some shelves out here on this downtime. This is the time for us to reorganize. Got some 40s over there. We're not gonna put that in each truck that we're working on right now, but we're gonna throw those in a storage unit. So if anyone's looking for some 40s, hit us up. All right, guys, we gotta get back to work. A lot more to do. The truck's still in the shop. Today, hopefully we should be getting the new wheels. Really excited from JTX Forged. Looks like they killed it for us. I just got a little sneak preview of what we're working with, but really excited to see the wheels when they come in. We'll show you guys, we'll give you a little preview. How many did you guys get?
We got 21 smalls and 7.
Yeah. All right, so Nick, what just arrived?
Bro, JTX Forged, the wheels for the F450. Finally here. I'm really excited to see them.
I don't even know if I'd say finally. That was quick.
Actually, yeah, that was very quick. They followed through, so shout out to you guys. Thank you for sending out so quickly, because everybody else was like weeks out.
JTX, I think they got them cut and shipped within
They're like,
8
"We'll
days
cut
from
them, we'll
order.
ship it for you guys. We got you. So, hey, shout out to you, Chris, and thanks for making it happen, brother.
Baby. I see something shiny.
GTX Force, baby. Let's see what kind of beautiful stuff we got here. Let's see what we got here. Ooh-wee.
Let's see him. Dude.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that's backwards.
That's a backwards.
Oh, they spin, dude. Let's give it up. So look at that, JTX forged. Enter force on the other lip.
I like it. I like the cuts. Very good cuts.
I do like the cut.
See, the pictures on the website look a little different.
Yeah.
So I was hoping they would have much. They looked a little bit more like shaped.
Yeah.
They're actually clean cut. That's what I was hoping for. Oh yeah, buddy. These are awesome. I love it.
Love it.
Love it. Can't wait to see them on. And what a great week it's been. We've got a lot of things done. But the best part about it is the truck is going to be finished at the wrap shop this weekend. So that means on Monday, we're going to be going and pick up the truck, bring it back here, setting it on back over here, and we're going to get to work. Still a lot to do. So next week is going to be crazy busy for us because we still got to mount these tires. We got to install the 6-inch lift that's going on there. Still got to install all the paint match parts. So there's going to be a whole lot of work for us to do next week. It's probably going to be a grind. So I'm excited that we get a chance to show you guys for the first time truck build. We got a crazy surprise that's coming up, which I have to keep my mouth shut. Unfortunately, I'm not good at doing that, but I'll do my best. But anyways, guys, thanks for joining us, watching these videos. You know, we're doing this for you, and I hope you like it. So have a great day, great week. Love you.